Hello and welcome to another episode of The Melt Show. I'm your host, Max. In this video, we are reassembling the final of 4 carburetors. First thing, we're dropping the emulsion tube down into its slot and tapping it down with a wooden dowel. Later, the main jet can be lightly tapped down to fully seat it if you're worried. This means we can now insert the throttle slide, and it'll only go in one way, the right way. You gotta reassemble the lever. Pretty much all the bits go on the outside of the car body except for the nylon spacer immediately on the inside. Don't forget to press the locking tab back into place. Next up, I had to reattach the choke lever and plate. I ran the choke plate screws through a thread chaser to straighten them out. Don't forget the ball bearing and spring. They help lock the choke open for no more riding. When you tighten the nut, just don't go so much that you can't easily move the choke lever. Here I'm using a bit of Loctite on the 2 screws to keep them from backing out and being eaten by the engine. My understanding is that that's bad. Before I could put in the jets, I had to replace some tiny gaskets, one on the needle guide and one on the main jet. Also, I realized while watching this that I forgot to put in the slow jet. That little pair of wings pushes against the inside of the carb bowl and keeps the main jet in place. Thoughts and prayers of 70s engineers once again. Little note here, once you've had the float ball on for a few days, the gaskets stop moving around so much. Next up is the air screw. Factory setting is between 1 1/4 and 1 1/2 turns out. And that is the last of 4 carburetors. Next up, I'll show how to attach them all together onto the rack. Thanks for watching. See you next time.